I hope you came here for the bonuses because I got them. Now, before we get started, though, please click on the first link in the description if you want to work with my personal internet marketing team that will coach and mentor you to making $10,000 per month. This is the dream team of marketers, and trust me, they don't hold anything back. Now, for your free bonus number one, you're going to get the step by step process on how to make money on Google with AI content. You're going to unlock the money making potential of AI with this step by step guide to generating consistent passive income with automated content. You're going to learn how to create AI powered assets, scale your online presence, and you're going to leverage your search engine optimization. This proven framework works for anyone willing to follow the process. So stop trading your time for money and start leveraging AI content to establish true financial freedom. Now, for your free bonus number two, you're going to get my personal list of 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. This extensive list reveals virtually unknown resources that give away real money with no strings attached. You're going to simply follow the steps outlined to apply and claim your share of thousands in free cash assistance, debt relief, and no payback funding. With this guide, you can uncover little known programs that are ready to help you get free money today. Now, your free bonus number three, you're going to get access to hundreds of done for you stock videos. You're going to elevate your video marketing with instant access to hundreds of high quality, done for you stock videos. Now, this massive stock video collection, it covers all popular niches and categories to suit any project. Just download and use. You're going to save hundreds on expensive stock footage by leveraging these 4K and HD clips in social media, websites, or pretty much any subject or niche at all. So go ahead and get these bonuses for free by clicking on my link below. It's going to be the second link in the description. Go ahead and get started. And here we go with the review. Thank you.
Are you tired of working hard and seeing this? There's nothing more devastating than putting your hard work and effort into a method and hoping for the best, only to wake up day after day with little or no income. A lot of people think if they work harder, they will get results. But online, that's just not the case. You need to work smarter and follow a proven plan if you want to get results. Hi there, Paul Nichols here. I've been where you are, and after years of trying just about every method you can imagine online, I finally realized something. Making money online is not about hacks, loopholes, or cutting edge methods. Getting results online is so much easier than that. This is a brand new channel that I have built using the system I'm teaching you in TubeHero 3.0. All you need to do is tap into a hungry audience and insert yourself as an authority to that audience. This may sound complicated, and years ago, it was. But with the power of YouTube, it's never been easier to become an authority for any audience extremely quickly. And once you've done that, you can control the traffic, send it wherever you want. And because you're a trusted authority, your audience is highly engaged and will take action on any offer you send them to. This is perfect for list building, your own products, private advertisements, e-com, affiliate marketing, high ticket offers, CPA offers, consulting and service providing, anything. Look at this. This is 2,000 pounds that I generated from this brand new channel using one of my closely guarded income strategies that I will also share with you inside TubeHero 3.0. This works in all kinds of niches, and it's a great way to monetize something you're already passionate about. Of course, you don't have to be passionate about anything. I figured out a powerful new system on YouTube for generating huge amounts of free traffic. Proof of this free traffic I've generated over the last 30 days. That's over 37,000 in free traffic and almost 10,000 hours of watch time for a channel which is only 5 months old. Insane. 37.3 thousand views in only 28 days is nothing to sneeze at. That's over 1,000 highly engaged views per day for free. Imagine the kind of results you could get if you sent this to an opt-in page or an affiliate offer. Now, you're probably thinking that harnessing the power of YouTube for authority and unlimited free traffic is out of reach for most people. And until now, it was. But I've created a powerful step-by-step approach that's 100% newbie friendly and doable for anyone. Introducing TubeHero 3.0. You don't need a lot of time to do this. You don't have to show your face on camera. In fact, I haven't shown my face on camera once since starting this new channel and generating over 100,000 views. I'll teach you how to own in on the best niches that are primed and ready for this approach. Once you choose your niche, I'll show you the simple steps to easily create video content that gets followers, builds massive authority fast, and gives you everything you need to generate unlimited free traffic. This is free traffic that's highly targeted and converts really well. And I'll show you multiple methods to monetize this traffic over and over again. This is not a fly-by-night online method. This is not a loophole. This is not something that is here today and gone tomorrow. This is a tried and true method that you can use to finally create a real online business that will generate results for you today, tomorrow, and for months and even years to come. What I'm teaching you is how to create your very own highly profitable online asset. TubeHero 3.0 gives you everything you need to get started today. And the best part is the price is highly discounted to make this a complete no-brainer. Although I could easily charge $9.97 for this powerful system, you won't pay anywhere near that today when you click the link below. But please don't wait around because the price is going up soon. If you close this page and come back later, there's a very good chance you'll end up paying more for this than you have to. The price you're seeing right now is the lowest price this will ever be, so don't wait around and miss out. In addition to the special discount I'm offering right now, you'll also have the opportunity to get your hands on some powerful bonuses valued at $649 for free. These bonuses will help you get more traffic and authority faster than ever and will quickly boost your results with TubeHero 3.0. And because I don't want anything to hold you back from getting your hands on something that has the power to change your life and finally give you a real online business that rewards you for the effort you put into it, I'm going to remove all the risk with my 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can test drive TubeHero 3.0 and see if this is really for you. And if you change your mind for any reason, just let me know and I'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose is by not getting TubeHero 3.0 today. If you're tired of wasting time and money on methods that just don't work, and if you like the idea of getting your hands on a real method for generating authority and free traffic in any niche, then you need to get TubeHero 3.0 today. Click the button below now before the price goes up.